Constant motion, heavy loads and direct exposure of dirt that gets sponged off from your rear tire means your swing arm and suspension linkage pivot led a rough life. Maybe it's time to give a little maintenance to those bearings. Today in Linear Dynamic Garage, I'm going to show you how to clean the swing arm of Honda CB Unicorn. Before we get started, make sure you like my video and subscribe my channel. Tools required for the paint job on swing arm. Spanners size of 10, 28, 22, 17. Hammer, diesel, brush, rubbed cloths, chisel, grinding machine, spray paint and grease. If tools are ready, let's get started. Step 1. Remove the rear wheel. To remove the rear wheel, first we have to remove the chain cover by spanner of size 10. Then we loose the axle bolt. We shall remove the brake lines and remove the axle bolt and take out the wheel. Step 2. Remove the sprocket. With spanner of size 28, we remove the nut that holds the sprocket and take out the sprocket. Step 3. Remove the swing arm. We now remove the pivot bolt that holds the swing arm with spanner size 22. In order to remove the bolt that holds the monoshock, first we wash it with the diesel. With a spanner of size 17, we remove the bolt and separate the monoshock from the swing arm. And carefully we take the swing arm. Before we start cleaning the swing arm, we shall remove the chain guide on the swing arm. Step 4. Clean the swing arm. Remove the dirt and slag on the swing arm with a chisel and clean the swing arm with a diesel. We shall wipe out excess diesel with a rugged cloth. After cleaning, we now remove the rust with the sandpaper. In my case, I am using a grinding machine. Step 5. Painting on the swing arm. Once when the swing arm is free from rust, we now paint with aerosol automotive spray cans. After when the paint gets dried, we place the chain guide carefully back. Step 6. Lubricating the needle bearing of the swing arm. Now we apply the grease on the needle bearing. On the shaft. And also on the inner side of the bushes. Lastly, we apply the grease on the pivot bolt. Step 7. Placing back the swing arm. First, we fix the monoshaft bolt so that we get hold on the swing arm. Then we try to align the swing arm and the bike hole. When both the holes are aligned, we can insert the pivot bolt easily. Then we tighten all the bolts. Step 8. Bolting back the wheel. First, we fix the sprocket. Then we insert the wheel. And insert the axle bolt. Then we bolt the brake links. Adjust the chain tension. Lastly, we apply the lubricant on the chain for a smooth ride before bolting the chain covers.